It's your old pal back again one more time. Mars Part 2. Now, you ain't going to hear this nowhere else. Okay. The Greek word for pyramid. Okay. Look up the translation. Look up the Greek word for Mars in the translation. It's the same word. The suffix is different. So one means fiery, the other one means heap or mound. So literally the correct way to translate the word pyramid is the mound of Mars. It's exactly it, the mound of Mars. I don't care what anybody says. That's the translation, okay? So now I talk about the face on Mars and the pyramids, right? And all my other videos. Here's the thing. The face on Mars, like the Great Pyramid in Giza, the Giza Pyramid has its cardinal points match the compass. So the pyramid faces true north, okay? The face on Mars was built on its equator too. Now it sits at 41 degrees with a 22-degree tilt, which tells you there was some kind of pole shift or a Genesis 1025 event or nuclear exchange, who knows? So that face used to face exactly the Great Pyramid. How's that possible? How's it possible for a face to look at the Giza Pyramid on the Earth? Two planets facing each other, okay? By structure, okay? That's, how that happened. Anyhow, at the southwest corner of that face is a pyramid. It's a pentagonal pyramid. It's five-sided, which is 7 times larger than the Great Pyramid. Now, another place on the Earth that matches Cydonia is the Avebury Circle Hinge. That matches the eastern region of Cydonia, and that's in Britain, the Avebury Circle Hinge. That is built exactly like the eastern region of Cydonia. You used to have an obelisk there, just like an obelisk on Mars. It's a mirrored thing, okay? So that's another spot. Now, also in the eastern region of Mars, there's a structure called the Tholos, okay? That structure is the exact measurements when God gave Moses the measurements on Mount Sinai about structure. So how can these things on this planet have God's building code on Mars, okay? That God gave Moses measurements on Mount Sinai, but these structures on Mars are built to the exact codes that God gave Moses. So how they get the codes? How are they building stuff on their planets? Because God said in Obadiah 1:4, you exhaust yourself like eagles and nest among the stars, and I'll pull you back down. I'm going to do a part 3.